Today our topic is work and career. Let's discuss the required skills for different professions. What do you think are some essential skills for a software engineer?
Well, problem solving is definitely important. They need to be able to analyze complex issues and find creative solutions.
Absolutely. In addition to problem solving, I think strong coding skills are a must for software engineers. They should be proficient in programming languages like Java or Python.
That's true. Communication skills are also crucial for software engineers. They often need to collaborate with teammates and effectively communicate their ideas and progress.
Yes, teamwork is key in many professions. Speaking of which, what skills do you think are necessary for a successful project manager?
Organization and time management are essential for project managers. They need to keep track of multiple tasks and deadlines.
Definitely. Leadership skills are also important for project managers. They should be able to inspire and motivate their team members.
Absolutely. Another skill that comes to mind is strong problem-solving ability. Project managers need to identify potential issues and come up with solutions to keep the project on track.
Well said. Let's move on to a different profession. What skills do you think are required for a marketing manager?
Creativity is a key skill for a marketing manager. They need to come up with innovative ideas to promote products or services.
I agree. Along with creativity, strong analytical skills are also important. Marketing managers should be able to analyze market trends and consumer behavior to develop effective strategies.
Communication skills play a significant role in marketing as well. Marketing managers need to convey their messages clearly and persuasively to customers and clients.
Absolutely. Lastly, adaptability is crucial for marketing managers. They should be able to quickly adjust their strategies based on market changes and new trends.
I couldn't agree more. Adapting to the dynamic nature of the field is a must. It's been great discussing the required skills for different professions. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
No, I think we covered the basics. It was a productive conversation. Thanks for sharing your insights.
You're welcome. I enjoyed discussing this topic with you. Good luck with your studies.
Thank you. Same to you. Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day as well. Before we wrap up, I wanted to ask you about the required skills for a graphic designer. What are your thoughts on that?
Great question. For graphic designers, creativity is certainly at the top of the list. They need to have a keen eye for design and be able to think outside the box.
Absolutely, creativity is essential. Additionally, proficiency in design software such as Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator is a must. They should be able to manipulate images and create visually appealing graphics.
Definitely. Attention to detail is another crucial skill for graphic designers. They need to ensure that their designs are pixel perfect and visually consistent.
Yes, attention to detail is key. Communication skills also play a significant role for graphic designers. They need to be able to understand clients' requirements and effectively translate them into visually compelling designs.
You're right. Collaboration is important too, especially when working on larger projects. Graphic designers often need to work with copywriters, marketers, and clients to create cohesive designs.
Absolutely, teamwork and collaboration are vital. Lastly, time management skills are important for graphic designers to meet project deadlines and deliver high-quality work efficiently.
Well said. The world of graphic design can be fast-paced, so time management is crucial. Thank you for bringing up that point. It was great discussing the required skills for different professions with you.
Likewise, I found our conversation enlightening and insightful. It's always fascinating to explore the diverse skills needed for various careers.
Indeed, it broadens our understanding of the professional world. If you have any other topics or questions in mind for future discussions, feel free to let me know.
I will definitely keep that in mind. Thank you. Let's catch up again soon. Have a fantastic day.
Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on new videos.